Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run the troubleshooter. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Update Service. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, click Restart the service. Third method is open any browser. Copy link from description and paste it. Click Update now. Fourth method is open any browser, type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10. Click Download tool now. Click Accept. Check Upgrade this PC now, click Next. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 10 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.